is trailer of what we are going to do today. And here we have opened our video in incognito window of Chrome. Watch carefully all the steps. Before starting, I want to inform you that you will need Python IDE installed on your machine. Now we are here to start Python coding. First we will need to import some built-in libraries for smooth functioning of our project. First library is PyAutoGUI. PyAutoGUI is cross-platform GUI automation module that works on Python. You can control the mouse and keyboard to automate tasks on your computer. Next we have to import subprocess. The subprocess module allows you to spawn new processes, connect to their input, output, error pipes, and obtain their return codes. Subprocess helps in opening applications on your machine. Next we have to import OS. This module provides a portable way of using operating system dependent functionality. Next we have to import time. This module provides various time-related functions. Now we have to write command, that will be pasted in Windows PowerShell. Start process Chrome.execute command opens Chrome. -incognito command is sent to Chrome to open the given URL in new private window that is incognito in Chrome. Subprocess.pop open runs any executable file that is passed to it as an string argument. Here we passed PowerShell.execute to open Windows PowerShell. Let's write the URL of our YouTube video for demonstration purpose. Let's run and check. As we can see, our code has opened Windows PowerShell. Time.sleep function pauses the code. Here 0.1 means for 100 milliseconds. We have written this because we assume that PowerShell may require some time to start. PyAutoGUI.write writes the string passed to it, at the current cursor location. Here we are passing the command stored in CMD variable. Let's run and check. PowerShell is opened and command is automatically written in it. But just writing command in PowerShell is of no use. We have to hit enter. For doing so we will use PyAutoGUI. Press enter. Let's run and check. Our code hits enter and then PowerShell opens the link in Chrome's incognito window. Let's write the URL of our YouTube video. Now let's run and check. And here is our YouTube video. Let's have some pause in our code, so that video must load properly. PyAutoGUI.hotkeys presses some very important keys like Ctrl and Alt. Here we are using it. Hit Ctrl and W key, it is shortcut to close window in Chrome. Let's run and check. Browser is automatically closed after 10 seconds. Let's increase pause time to 11 seconds. We have to close PowerShell as well, so we will write exit command in PowerShell. Let's run and check. After closing Chrome, exit is automatically written in PowerShell, but PowerShell is still open. This is because we haven't hit enter. So to execute exit command, we have to hit enter. Let's run and check. The moment Chrome is closed, exit is executed and PowerShell is terminated as well. Adjust the sleep time as per your convenience. Up till now our code runs only once, which is of no use, so now we are writing code inside for loop, which runs as many times as the number entered in its range. Let's run and check. Now it is running second time. Let's print I to know the number of times our code is running. Let's run and verify. In the console you can see 0 in blue color, this signifies first time. Now you can see 1 in blue color, in console, which signifies that, code is running for second time. Let's run code for 5 times. First time. Second time. There is some error in terminating PowerShell. Let's try to sort it out. Let's replace the YouTube link, and see if it resolves. Ah! The code is still running. We need to stop it. Let's kill the console to stop the code. Let's choose add different video with different duration. For that we have to replace the URL, and see if it resolves the issue. Let's choose this video. Let's run and check. First run. Second run. Third run. Fourth run. Fifth run. Code did run properly, but the PowerShell window didn't terminate it after every run. Let's try to change the sleep time and see if it makes any difference. Let's reduce the test run from 5 to 2 and test again. First run. Second run. Same error has occurred again. Error states that, the command written at the time of termination of PowerShell is, exit instead of exit, E is missing. Let's give space in write command to compensate for first letter. As now we found the error, we can change the sleep time back to its original. Let's increase upper sleep time in order to play video for longer duration. To fool the YouTube algorithm, we will seek the video randomly. To do so, we will add pi_auto_GUI. Press right, this will seek video for 10 seconds. This sleep function will allow video to play for 1 second. Let's repeat this process 2-3 times more, so that it may seems like a human is watching and not the machine. Let's also change the sleep time randomly. Let's run and check. First run. You can see the video is seeking, but due to slow internet, the video is not able to load. If you have a good internet connection, then this problem will not occur. Second run. Same issue again. But our code works fine. Let's run this 5 times and see. First run. Second run. Third run. Fourth run. Fifth run. We are back to PowerShell. Here are PowerShell exits, and we are done with our work. You can go in your video analytics, and check, your views and watch time will increase.
Thanks for watching Python Everyday. Like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to watch other videos on our channel. Goodbye. See you in the next video.